How to clean ceiling tiles. In this article I will go over how to clean ceiling tiles. Ceiling tiles. Oh, those things above our heads that most folks rarely think about. But guess what? They matter more than you might think. Whether you've got plain old regular ceiling tiles or the more stylish drop-down variety, knowing how to clean ceiling tiles can make your space look spiffier and even healthier. But that's not all. We're also going to tackle the sometimes tricky task of cleaning those shower ceiling tiles that seem to get the worst of it. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your cleaning arsenal, and let's dive into the world of super clean ceilings. How to clean ceiling tiles. Let's kick things off with the basics. Regular ceiling tiles. You know, the ones hanging above your head, are often overlooked until they catch your eye. Here's how to give them the TLC they deserve. Dust off the cobwebs. First things first, you'll need a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. Use it to gently sweep away the dust and any other bits that may have found their way onto those regular ceiling tiles. But remember, gentle is the name of the game here. We don't want to accidentally damage anything up there. Handling stains. Now, what if you spot stains or unsightly spots on your regular ceiling tiles? No need to panic. Grab a bucket and mix some mild detergent with warm water. Create a cleaning solution that's your secret weapon against those stubborn spots. Take a clean cloth or sponge, dip it into this soapy mixture, and give those spots a gentle rub. Rinse with clean water and pat them dry. Easy, right? Deep dive for a fresher look. But what if your regular ceiling tiles are showing signs of wear and need a bit more love? Here's what you can do. Create a solution with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Now, get a mop or a trusty microfiber cloth and get it wet with this soapy solution. Go ahead and clean the entire tile surface. Rinse them well with clean water and let them air dry. You'll be amazed at how they look almost brand new. How to clean drop ceiling tiles. Now, let's turn our attention to those drop ceiling tiles, the ones that hang below the real ceiling. They're there to make things look good and sometimes to hide stuff. Here's how to give them the care they deserve. Dust them off. It's time to say goodbye to the dust. Use your trusty soft brush or the vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment, and gently dust off those drop ceiling tiles. But remember, be gentle. We're aiming for cleanliness, not chaos. Bidding farewell to stains. If you happen to spot stains on your drop ceiling tiles, fret not. Mix some mild detergent with warm water. Yes, we're sticking with the basics. Get a clean cloth and dip it into this soapy mix. Pull up those stained areas gently. Don't go overboard with the water. We don't want to upset the suspension system. Rinse those freshly cleaned spots with clean water and pat them dry. Prevention is key. Want to reduce your cleaning duties? Who wouldn't? Consider improving the room's ventilation or investing in an air purifier. These nifty tricks can help keep dust and dirt at bay, meaning fewer cleaning sessions for you. More time for your favorite Netflix shows. What is the best way to clean ceiling tiles? Now, let's talk about some of the best ways to keep your ceiling tiles looking fresh, no matter their type. Regular TLC. It's a no-brainer. Make it a habit to give your ceiling tiles a quick dusting or vacuum regularly. Think of it as a mini spa day for your tiles. It keeps the dirt from piling up. Be gentle with cleaners. Regarding cleaning products, steer clear of the heavy-duty stuff. Abrasive or acidic cleaners can harm the tile surface. Stick to mild, friendly detergents for your cleaning adventures. Test before you go big. Before diving in with a new cleaning solution, do a little testing on a small, hidden spot. We don't want any surprises like strange stains or color changes ruining your ceiling tile party. Safety first. When you're on a cleaning mission, make sure you gear up with safety goggles and gloves. Think of them as your superhero gear for tackling dust and grime. How to clean shower ceiling tiles. Finally, let's conquer those tricky shower ceiling tiles. With all that moisture in the bathroom, they can become a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Here's the plan. Bid farewell to mold. If your shower ceiling tiles are looking like they're auditioning for a horror movie, it's time to tackle the mold and mildew. Create a magical potion by mixing equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spritz this elixir onto the moldy spots and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, grab a soft brush or a sponge, and gently scrub away the mold. Rinse thoroughly with water, and you're done. No more moldy shenanigans. Prevention is everything, but hold on, there's more. Consider painting your shower ceiling tiles with a mold-resistant paint or primer. It's like a protective shield against future mold invasions. You'll be the mold-fighting champion of your bathroom. Scrubbing away residue. Sometimes, those shower ceiling tiles can have stubborn soap scum or residue buildup. To deal with this, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply this paste to the affected areas and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a soft bristle brush or a sponge to gently scrub away the residue. Rinse thoroughly with water to reveal a squeaky clean ceiling. Summary. Finally, let us emphasize the importance of preserving clean ceiling tiles, whether they are standard or hanging attractively below the real ceiling. These often overlooked factors play an important part in improving the overall appeal and cleanliness of our living or working environments. The key to success is regular maintenance, using gentle cleaning products, and a dedication to safety. When dealing with shower ceiling tiles, the vinegar-based remedy and applying mold-resistant paint come in handy.